Creating product photos with AI can be a powerful way to produce high-quality images without needing a physical photo shoots. Here are the general steps you can follow to create product photos using AI tools. So choose FlairAI platform. For creating branded content, you can follow these steps. First of all you have to do is open your web browser. So this is the homepage of FlairAI. We have here various information. But before that, let's know some steps, the real steps how you can create or build your product. So first of all you have to sign up, then you create a project, then upload brand assets, then design with EA, then review and edit, then download and use, then additional features, and the last step is support and resources. So we will know how we can do these steps. So first, what is FlairAI? It's an AI-powered platform focused on streamline and enhancing creative processes, particularly in the realm of visual content creation. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating, editing, and refining images, making it a valuable tool for designers, marketers, and businesses. So in the homepage here we have various information, like we have here the AI design tool for products, photo shoots, drag and drop to generate stunning product shoots. And second, we have also make standout content with stunning templates. We have here stage scenes digitally with drag and drop props, bring it to life with AI. Also we have here mix and match product with templates, and we have also build slick shoots faster than ever. And we have here new feature, we have fashion photo shoots, and also we have here iterate, collaborate, and we have the homepage outlook, we have here share, Antonio. Also we have remove background, magic erase, and we have here scale your design with API, and finally we have here design with Flair. So if we come back in the top here, we have here a lot of things, like first we have pricing. So absolutely is for free. As you can see, your current plan, we have features up to 10 image per month, we have up to 5 projects. So, and we have use Flair for free with your whole team. Upgrade to enable limited issues, enhancing security controls and additional features. And we have your colors, lessons, log in to find your account, and finally all you have to do to sign up is get started. Then you click over Google and you choose your account, then you start building your project. So to sign up, all you have to do is click over here, continue with Google, then you'll link with your account. So all you have to do is click over create a fashion project, then you choose the niche you want, like beauty, fashion, food, furniture, CPG, staying, and also we have accessories, home goods, and we select the one you want. For example, let's select furniture. So here we have how you can generate. First, you select the one you want, like let's select the one and we'll modify it. Also, and you can upload product photo here. Firstly, you can add product also. Just click over here and upload product that you already downloaded. Then you click over generate, have your templates, have your prompt builder. You can just edit the prompt in the flow, a white flow feature we have surrounded here with prompt in front of, also placement here. You have on and emerging from. You have also in front of here against with. You have with next surrounded by. Then insert here. Then we have here number of results also. 2, 3, 4, or you can just switch on or switch off this one. Then we have here rendered strength. You can just select the one you want, default, strong, extra strong, weak, or extra weak. Then color strength, we have strong, extra strong, default, weak, or no one. And also we have outline strength, and that's it for regenerate. Then we have your prompts. You search by keywords. You can just select furniture here, tables also. Like let's select this one. As you can see, this is it, and you modify as you want. And we have here humans, female skincare and beauty models, also casual models. We have male models. And about edits, we have edit image. About tools, we have remove background, then magic erase, upscale creative, image variations, color also. And here we select if no one, full color. Then talent, we have your suffix. Then we have your PNG, CPG, price here, the color also. Like here we choose this one. And this is it, how you can design your product. Before all of that, you have to search about your photo product. So firstly, you have just to dive into canva.com. This is the home page, as you can see. So Canva is free, so you can use it, and you click over customer size after you sign up and you create your account. So we click over presentation here. Then you select your project. So you search here about your project like sneakers, or shoes, or other things. Then you choose the position, the background color, pages, presenter note, duration, timer, and also zoom here. You can zoom, and then you can just quick action here, add comments and other things. So that's it. Then you download it by clicking here, and then you download it, or you can just copy link, and that's it with Canva. So Flair, it's very helpful to build a product with high quality to attract people selling your product, so sorry, buy your product. And also you can use social media to sell your product, sorry again, and like Instagram stories and YouTube, also TikTok, Facebook group in WhatsApp and other things. So FlairAI represents a significant advancement in the field of digital marketing by integrating AI into content creation and analysis processes. It enables businesses to enhance efficiency, gain deeper insights into their audience, and produce more relevant content. This innovative approach transforms now businesses communicate and interact with their customers, providing them with a competitive edge in a constantly evolving market. So this is it with Flair. I hope it has been useful in this video, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.